It works with the IP66. Anyway, the arsonist had oddly shaped feet. Go. Hey everyone, today I'll be taking you through the new Athena G2 and updates to the Athena family as a whole. The Athena series has been a staple outdoor product at Unios, which suits a multitude of designs for functional architectural lighting. The three minimalist form factors and high output allows for the series to be used in any indoor or outdoor application, perfect for illuminating a broad range of commercial applications. In today's training, we'll be taking you through the latest generational update to this popular series, and also introduce the newest addition to the Athena family, the Athena Max. The Athena has gone through a generational leap into the G2 with several design changes and upgrades, with an emphasis on making the Athena G2 a beautifully robust architectural luminaire. So let's go into each design concept. Unios has adopted a new installation philosophy, making the installation significantly easier for the contractor. We have redesigned the mounting plate so that the electrical installation can be made without having to support the luminaire next to it. The Australian climate can be incredibly harsh, and so we understand outdoor luminaires need to be robust. To handle these conditions, we've updated the Athena to an IP66 as standard. This new benchmark will introduce an upgrade to the ingress seal around the front lens to ensure components are protected against the harsh storms common on coastline projects. It also protects against high pressure jets and blasts of water, a common cleaning practice in municipal projects. The Athena has been put through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standard of impact resistance at IK10, making it the perfect solution for outdoor spaces and public environments. The Athena has always been a powerhouse for Unios in the outdoor lighting realm. However, its main limitation was only offering a 40-degree beam angle. We have now redesigned the trim and the internals so we can offer a 15, 36 and 60-degree beam angle. This has all been achieved while maintaining robust ingress protection and protection against impact. Along with this, we've been able to introduce lens technology into the Athena, providing better beam control with less light spill outside of the designated beam angle. This results in a higher lumen efficacy of up to 20%, reaching over 100 lumens per watt in certain models. In this update, we are bringing in our well-known honeycomb and elliptical lens accessories for the Athena. The honeycomb works to reduce glare, perfect for areas where visual comfort is a must, and the elliptical lens provides the ability to shape the beam, which is a great option for long corridors or walkways, allowing for greater spacing between luminaires. As a part of this generational update, one of our goals was to include an option for an asymmetric throw, allowing designers to light walkways alongside structures that may not have a ceiling above. Instead of using utility lighting, the designer is able to provide ample lighting for pathways while providing an architectural aesthetic to the environment. In this example on the left, you'll see us using the asymmetric baffle, which can provide a much more distributed light source than the standard on the right. This eliminates distinct hotspots, all the while lighting a larger percentage of the pathway. Along with the horizontal illumination, the Athena Asymmetrical is also able to light up the vertical space just as effectively. The wall washing effect allows the designer to be able to add brightness to the outdoor space through the use of indirect lighting, giving the space a much more natural feel. The general rule of thumb for spacing is to take the height of the ceiling and divide it by 3. This is the distance between each luminaire and the distance they are positioned from the wall. If there is a requirement for the wall to be brighter, this can be adjusted by bringing the luminaires closer together. Now it's time to introduce the newest member to the Athena family, the Athena Max. As the name suggests, the Athena Max is a much larger sibling to the Athena G2, with a physical size increase of up to 30%, making it perfect for large-scale structures and public spaces. The Athena Max has a new high output of 38 watts in all three variations, 100 lumens per watt efficacy, and a class-leading LED chip with a macadam step of less than 2 and a lifetime of greater than 55,000 hours at L90B10, all the while maintaining the IP66 and IK10 rating. Something that's new for the product is the catenary mounting method. The design of the front trim allows for changing beam angles here at our production facility in Perth. This reduces on lead times for customized beam angles. The Athena Max has been paired with reflectors to maximize efficacy for the larger 19mm LED COP. The Athena Max has a standard beam options of 15 degree, 36 and 60. The secondary optic has also been designed for the Athena Max, being the honeycomb and elliptical lens, which are available for specification. We have introduced a new mounting method in the form of a catenary accessory. This accessory allows for the Athena Max to be used in overhead lighting applications, between buildings and over public spaces. The design of the accessory means we are able to turn the surface-mounted Athena into the catenary model by swapping the backplate of the product. The accessory itself houses a loop-in, loop-out IP68 gland alongside the catenary mounting system. A new design ethos here for the R&D team is to ensure that all our new products have DALI integral. We know that it can be troublesome to install luminaires that require remote DALI. And so we've been able to design all of the new Athena range with built-in DALI housing. Stock for the Athena G2 will be arriving early to mid-June with the base model in the medium beam angle. I'm also happy to note that the DALI version will also be stocked to help with delivery times for commercial projects. Stock for the Athena Max is already here and available for specification in all models, including the DALI version. I hope you took a lot out of the Athena G2 and Athena Max training session. Whether it's the broad range of new optics, the IP66 and IK10 ratings, or the built-in DALI driver. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local Unios representative. That's all from me, and I'll see you next time.